Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. All right, you guys, another update on the roof. So you guys, they already got the back of the roof pretty much done, and it's looking really, really good. Super satisfied with my front area. They did begin to clean up a lot, but they still got some cleaning to do. But it seems as though they're gonna try to really get this done today, because they already started working in the front area, and they may make it. They may be pushing to make it for today. If they're gonna go into like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or maybe even 8 o'clock, who knows? But right now it's looking like they're gonna try to get it done today. My cleanup day probably be tomorrow. We'll see. Still playing it by ear. We got Papa over there taking a break under the tree. Hey you guys, I had to make sure they wasn't taking no liquid lunch. Y'all know what that means when you take a liquid lunch, right? I just had to make you guys laugh on that one, but for the most part, everything is looking really, really well. So, gonna walk around to the front area to see how much progress they have made in the front. But these guys have been like little ninjas up on this roof. I tell you, they are literally hanging with hooks. No scaffolding at all. I mean, I was just amazed. I mean, one guy was literally throwing up OSB boards, literally throwing up pieces. I was like, what? But yeah, it's looking really good. So yeah, they working their way in the front. Let's see what's going on over here. So I look forward to getting this done, you guys. It's been on my to-do list for, you know, over 2 years, and I'm looking forward to pressure washing my siding, and also working on my deck, because I've been wanting to do some things on my deck that I've been procrastinating because I knew I would have to get my roofing done. So you know how we get into our not gardening, but summer decor with our makeover of our decks and our porches. So I paused on my deck this season so that I could get this roof done. So as you can see, they are double layering like the owner said they would do. And I am glad that I did come back out at this time to make sure they are double layering. So what he was saying is that they will double layer the offset from the roof to the porch area of the roof, which is looking really, really, really good. Really good, I must say. So they're probably gonna, I think what they're gonna do is actually finish the underlayment, and then maybe come back and finish the shingle part. But right now they're working on the underlayment, which is looking really nice. I'm very happy with the 2 layers that he did on the porch area. I'm trying to get the technical word. I'm burning up in the sun right now. But they look like they're doing a good job in the areas of my dormers. You want to always make sure that in that area of the dormers that your roofing job is really good. I think they call it the flashing area. So yeah, the offset of the porch into the roof area. So double layment there. All right, you guys. So this is SEK bringing you guys an update. I really don't there's a part of me that think they're gonna bring those shingles out to finish. Who knows? If they're gonna push it to 7 to 8 o'clock at night, they can get it done. But right now, looking like they're gonna just finish the underlayment and then probably come back tomorrow and finish the shingles. But this is what it's looking like now, and I look forward to. I'm going to have to paint around my porch area again, because I can see where removing the shingles, a lot of the paint area got torn off, and that's okay. It looked like they had to replace, they already replaced the board that was damaged over there, so that's good. So I look forward to just doing a paint touch up. It's been probably 2 years since I painted my porch, but right now the porch is still looking good as far as the paint job from 2 years ago. So I'll just do, you know, around the edging part. All right, you guys, so this is SK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next update. Peace.